Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rohit and today I am going to show you how you can create a password generator in Python. I have seen so many programs that are using password generator for their user to create randomized passwords to make their data safe and secured. And here is the small code that I am using to create my password. And I have imported four modules. I have imported symbols, I have imported random, and I have imported strings and os. I have imported symbols because I want my password to have symbols like exclamation mark, at the rate symbol, underscore, hyphen, plus, equals to, like this. And I have imported random because I want my password to be randomized so that it can create randomized password every time the user want. And I have imported string module because I want my digits and punctuation marks, the symbols, to be in string format, not in boolean and not in integer format. And I have imported os because I want my terminal screen to be clear, and every time we will run this program it will clear the previous one. It will run from the beginning and it will clear the screen from the terminal. And here I have greeted the user like welcome to the password generator, like this. And in this line I have asked the user how long you want the password to be. And here the user can input any, like if he or she wants the password to be like 10 digits long, 15 digits long, 20 digits long, and 50 digits long. So here I have made a variable lowercase to import lowercase characters and uppercase for uppercase characters. And I have used a string module to import or to use this lowercase and uppercase digits, or you can say characters. And I have used string.digits to import, or you can say to use digits for my password. And symbols for my password I have used string.punctuation. And I have used all variable to add all these upper variables and make a randomized make a password and make all the things. And I have used here small p password to randomize the characters and digits and symbol every time, and keeping the length that user have provided us. And next I have used a capital P password because I want my password to like join together and make a unique, secure and safe password that it is difficult to crack. It's like a good password and it's a strong password. And I've used here print password to the password that we have got from this command, this variable join dot. I have created a password variable. We have got a password here. Now I want the password to be printed so that user can see. Now as you can see here, on my terminal screen there are like hello, welcome, this. If I run this command, if I run my Python program, it will clear this whole thing and it will start from the new. As you can see, it started from the new. And now it is asking me how long you want the password to be. And for example, I am taking 8. I want my password to be 8 characters long, so it's 8 characters long. As you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so it's 8 character long. It's a unique password. Every time you run this it will be unique. See? So thanks for watching, and if you want this code you can get this code from the description below. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.